Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the music in grade 4, especially in CBC. We look at the percussion musical instrument in traditional. Under percussion musical instrument, we will look at non-melodic and melodic percussion musical instruments. Under non-melodic percussion musical instruments, these instruments consist of untuned percussion such as drums, shakers, rattlesticks, gourds, and shells. Let's look at the parts of a drum. A drum has the following parts. The first part is a skin membrane. Skin membrane is covering the drum. We have tuning laces. We have sound box or resonator. The last part is sealing. Under part of the drum, let's look at what it do. The membrane or the skin is hit using hands or sticks to produce sound. A sound box or a resonator makes the sound loud. The laces are used to attach the membrane onto the body of the drum. Sealing is used for carrying or holding the drum. A drum or some of the drums are either covered on one side or covered in both sides. The ones that are covered in both sides are called double-headed. Double-headed is closed with a membrane on both sides or sides. The ones that are not covered in both sides are called single-headed. Single-headed is closed with a membrane on one side. The following body parts can be used to produce sound of a drum. For example, we use the palm of the hand clenched in a fist, fingertips, and full fingers. Techniques to be used to produce sound are, or method used to play a drum are hitting, striking, and rubbing. Two ways of tuning a general drum. We want to look at some of the ways of tuning a drum. We have two ways. One, placing the membrane of the drum near the fire for it to stretch. Number two, you can leave a drum or leaving a drum in the sun for the skin also to stretch. Let's look at melodic percussion. Melodic percussion is also known as a tuned percussion instrument. For example of melodic percussion instrument, we will look at some of the instruments. We look at marimba and adongo. Best mostly we look at marimba. Marimba is an idiophone played by striking. Marimba is the same as xylophone. Let's look at the community that play marimba in Kenya. We have Giriama, Ribe, Kambe, Rabai, among others from the coastal region of Kenya. Let's look at the parts of marimba. Marimba is a rectangular box, so it has different parts. The first part we want to look at is resonator. Resonator is a rectangular box. Let's look at the cushion. Cushion. We look at the wooden bar or slabs. Then lastly, we look at the playing sticks. Let's also look at some of the material used to make marimba. Hardwood for making bars, that is slabs or wooden bars. Cloth or banana fiber for making the cushion for bars. Hard stick for making small claps for playing instrument, that is playing sticks. The timbers for making resonator, that is the rectangular wooden box. The method of playing percussion musical instrument. We are going to look at some of the method we use to play musical or percussion musical instrument. We look at the method and some of the instruments that are used to play, that are used on that method. Shaking. Shaking can shake the shakers. When you are playing shakers, you shake. Striking with a stick or sticks or small claps. That's marimba and others. Banging together. That's clappers. Rapping together. Rattle sticks. Tapping and tap drum. Plucking. Mostly plucking is used when we are playing the string instrument. But also we have an exceptional percussion musical instrument where we have adongo. Adongo is used when they play adongo when they are plucking. We also have hitting. You can hit a drum using sticks. You can hit marimba using small sticks. Examples of percussion musical instrument. Number 1, manyanga. Manyanga is also like shakers. You shake it when you are playing it. You have marimba. Marimba, you can strike it. You have kayamba. Kayamba, you can shake it. You have clappers. Clappers, you clap, you bang together so that they can be able to produce sound. Mostly they use the coconut shells. We have adong. The one I've said that when you're playing it, you pluck it. Then we have gurikuri. Gurikuri also you can strike it. We have bull. Bull is a drum. It's types of a drum. We have ruhia. Ruhia is a horn. They strike it when they are playing it. Then you have isukuti. Isukuti you can use the hand to play. You can use the palm or tip. Mostly on sukuti we either use both hand palms or use the clinch of fist to play the isukuti. We have come to the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Remember to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share to your friend. Thank you.